Did you know that just 1 tablespoon of olive oil before bed could dramatically improve how your body functions? This golden liquid, often seen as just a cooking staple, is actually packed with powerful health benefits that most people don't even realize. What if I told you that it can help your body repair itself overnight, support vital organs, and boost your overall well-being? Sounds too good to be true, right? But the truth is, many of us use olive oil without ever tapping into its full potential. Why has this ancient remedy been a cornerstone of Mediterranean cultures for centuries? What really happens when you take olive oil before bedtime? And most importantly, how can you use it properly to unlock all its incredible benefits? In this video, I'll walk you through the science-backed benefits of taking olive oil at night, and exactly how to do it for the best results. But first, I'll show you how to make sure the olive oil you're using is actually real, because, believe it or not, many store-bought versions are fake or diluted. Stick around until the end to find out how to tell if your olive oil is the real deal. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Your journey to better health starts here, and I'm honored to be a part of it. Also, drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from. I'd love to know. Now, let's get started. 1. Brain health and neuroprotection. Let's begin with your brain. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, which acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, similar to ibuprofen. What makes it unique is its ability to help clear beta-amyloid plaques, the proteins linked to Alzheimer's disease. A study in Axe Chemical Neuroscience found that oleocanthal not only breaks down these plaques but also helps the brain flush them out. This is critical, as beta-amyloid disrupts communication between brain cells, leading to memory loss and cognitive decline. And it gets better. The antioxidants in olive oil work while you sleep, helping to repair and protect brain cells overnight. This is one reason why the Mediterranean diet, rich in olive oil, is consistently linked to better brain function and lower risk of dementia. Adding olive oil to your nightly routine isn't just a simple habit, it's a powerful way to support your cognitive health. 2. Cancer-fighting properties. Next up, cancer prevention. Olive oil is packed with powerful antioxidants like hydroxytyrosol and oleocanthal. These compounds neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage your cells and trigger cancer growth. But that's not all. Research in the Journal of Functional Foods showed that oleocanthal can trigger apoptosis, a process where cancer cells self-destruct without harming healthy ones. Studies also found that the polyphenols in olive oil can slow the growth of certain cancers, especially breast and colorectal cancer. Plus, its anti-inflammatory effects create an internal environment that's less likely to support cancer growth. While it's not a cure, adding olive oil to your diet, especially at night, is a smart, proactive step toward reducing your cancer risk. 3. Digestive support. Struggling with digestion? Olive oil acts as a natural lubricant for your digestive system, helping food move more smoothly through your intestines. It's especially helpful for relieving constipation by softening stool and easing bowel movements. It also stimulates the production of bile, which is crucial for breaking down fats and helping your body absorb nutrients. Taking it before bed ensures your digestive system works efficiently, even while you rest. And it supports your gut microbiome too. Research shows that olive oil's polyphenols encourage the growth of good bacteria and reduce harmful ones, improving digestion and even boosting your immune system. 4. Blood sugar control. Olive oil also helps manage blood sugar levels, thanks to its high content of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. It improves insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to process sugar and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Plus, it slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing sudden sugar spikes after meals. A study in diabetes care found that diets rich in olive oil led to better blood sugar control and reduced insulin resistance. Even 1 tablespoon before bed can make a noticeable difference. 5. Heart health. Let's talk about your heart. Olive oil is loaded with oleic acid, which helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. This balance keeps your arteries clear and reduces the risk of heart disease. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory, which helps prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Research published in BMC Medicine showed that people who regularly consumed olive oil had a significantly lower risk of heart disease. It even helps lower blood pressure and improves circulation, making it easier for your heart to do its job, even while you sleep. 6. Skin repair while you sleep. Want glowing, youthful skin? Olive oil acts as a natural moisturizer, working from the inside out to nourish and repair your skin overnight. It locks in hydration, protects against overnight water loss, and fights off free radicals that cause premature aging. Its antioxidants, especially hydroxytyrosol, help boost collagen production, which is essential for firm, elastic skin. Studies have even shown it can accelerate wound healing and tissue regeneration. Whether you're battling dryness, fine lines, or just want a healthy glow, olive oil is your skin's nighttime ally. 7. Hormonal health and vitality. For both men and women, olive oil supports hormonal balance. For men, it improves blood flow, important for erectile function, and supports testosterone production by reducing oxidative stress. For women, the healthy fats in olive oil help produce hormones like estrogen and progesterone, which are key for mood, energy, and reproductive health. In short, it supports overall vitality and hormonal wellness for both genders. 8. Liver detoxification. Your liver works hard to keep your body clean, and olive oil helps it do that more efficiently. It boosts bile production, which helps break down fats and flush out toxins. It also prevents fat accumulation in the liver, a condition called fatty liver disease, which can impair your body's detox processes. Multiple clinical trials have shown that regular olive oil consumption can reduce liver fat and improve enzyme levels, key signs of a healthy liver. How to use olive oil before bed. To get the most out of olive oil, here's what you should do. 1. Take 1 tablespoon, about 15 milliliters, of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. 2. Consume it 30 minutes to 1 hour before bed, ideally on an empty stomach. 3. Avoid eating for at least an hour afterward for best absorption. 4. If the taste is too strong, mix it with honey or warm milk, or drizzle it over a small salad as part of your evening meal. Consistency is key. Incorporating olive oil into your nightly routine can lead to long-term health benefits. How to spot real olive oil. Before you start, make sure your olive oil is the real deal. 1. Look for certifications like PDO or the California Olive Oil Council, COOC. 2. Choose brands that package in dark glass bottles to protect from light. 3. Check for harvest dates and bottling dates, not just expiration dates. 4. Genuine olive oil typically costs $11 to $13 per liter or more. 5. Real olive oil smells fresh, tastes slightly bitter, and gives a peppery kick. 6. Do the fridge test. At 5 degrees Celsius, authentic olive oil will thicken and turn cloudy. By choosing genuine olive oil, you ensure you're getting all the benefits, and not wasting money on diluted products. Who knew something as simple as olive oil could have such a powerful impact on your health? From your brain and heart to your skin and liver, this golden liquid truly works its magic while you sleep. So, how do you use olive oil? Will you be adding it to your bedtime routine? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family so they can benefit too. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new health tip. I've picked out 2 more videos just for you. Click one and I'll see you there. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant.